Sky here and welcome to Blockchain Today we will talk about security in crypto world. It is not a secret that cryptocurrency were not always the safest environment for money storage, especially with the big amount of hacking accidents like Mt. Gox hack in 2013 with $460 million losses, or nice hash hack were around $64 million were stolen, and the list goes on. So it is always important to protect your funds whatever happens. Today we will talk about Simba Storage, a company that offers BTC cold storage and delivers their product called Simba stable coins, which is bundled on Satoshi for secure operations and safety of cryptocurrency. So without further ado, let's get into the action. Simba company was born back in 2019 during very unstable time on the market. The general idea was to create a stable coin that is not pegged to fiat currency but to crypto, and it went pretty successful till now. We would get into the product details later, but first let's talk about creators, CEO and generally speaking about people that stand behind Simba. The main person of or CEO is Anton Kantin. I don't know if I pronounce it right. A well-known person in the Russian crypto community because it is not his first crypto project. His journey in cryptocurrency started back in 2017 with NTS Crypto Fund, which is still operating by the way, with tons of good responses and bringing great amount of profit at the moment. It is a good sign that Simba management already has a big experience in crypto field. If you take a look at the team members again, you will mention that the team is tagged with experienced professional in their field from PR to HR, and including Alex Royce as advisor. But let us get to the product and explain what Simba are actually offering. So what does Simba stands for and what problem do they solve? First of all, to highlight it once again, the safety storage problems in the cryptocurrency is huge. There are several companies that are operating in this field, but the main problem still remains due to the BTC volatility, the fact that the price is very volatile. You as an advisor always need to access to the funds at any point of time, which is nearly impossible when you are using cold storage. Secondly, we all know the fact that BTC transactions are slow, and it can be that it would take several hours or 2 weeks to confirm, and luckily enough Simba is offering direct solution for both of these problems. Okay, to kick things off, Simba will have a stable coin that is backed by Satoshi. So one Simba will be equal to one Satoshi. BTC that were dropped in exchange for Simba will be stored in multi-signature cold wallet in 4 countries, currently in Switzerland and Liechtenstein, and at the end of 2020 United Arab Emirates and New Zealand will join as well. The second solution of BTC transparency problem is that Simba is going to be an ERC20 stable token, which means that a coin that is pegged to BTC will have all the advantages of Ethereum blockchain like transaction speed and transparency. Sounds cool, right? So how the whole process will look like? In general, by depositing BTC into Simba storage, investors would mint Simba coin that would be deposited to your ERC20 address. Okay, so let us take a look at all the products that Simba's ecosystem is offering. As already mentioned before, the first product is Simba Storage. When you are willing to store your BTC, you will need to register on Simba Storage and pass your KYC. Once all the formalities were probed, you will be choosing a storage location, at the moment Switzerland and Liechtenstein, and select the amount of BTC to store. Finally, you will need to specify your wallet address, one for BTC and another for the Simba ERC20 token. Once transactions gets into the block, you will be approved and you are ready. Secondly, Simba will be offering a Simba stable coin, which will be minted as soon as you store your BTC in one of the specific locations. So there are plenty of use of cases for Simba stable coins, including payments, because due to ERC20 contract structure, you will be able to pay your lower transaction fees and do it much faster. You can also reuse the Simba stable coins for lending purposes, because if it will have the same value, but it will deliver more efficiency as for just lending Bitcoin. Okay, eco duties and salaries or rent payments are going to be much easier as well. Last but not the least, Simba will have not only a Bitcoin pegged stablecoin but their own native tokens as well. It will be called Simba Storage Token with a total supply of 100 million SST issued for project believers, team members, and strategic partners. Regarding the tokenism, 30 million are reserved for foundation to develop the project further. 5 million token are for team members with a 12.36 and 60-month lockup period. 50 million tokens are going to be available for sale. So follow their official social media channels to get the latest info regarding sales update. So the last step before taking a look at Simba storage platform, with discussing all advantages, we would like to take a look at the roadmap to get overlook of what achieved so far and what are the plans for future progress. As already stated at the beginning of the video, Simba was born in 2019, starting with idea and creating and finishing with successful smart contract deployment and first profit for Simba. In the first half of 2020, Simba has released their white paper, launched their mainnet, updated their website and white paper. For the second half of 2020, public token sale is planned to be settled, as well as exchange listing, trust fund creation and deployment of multi-signature protocol. Besides, for 2021, it is planned to develop their own hardware storage, which sounds pretty promising. Okay, so now we got more familiar with all services and products of Simba. Let's take a look at their platform and find out how you can create an account and store your BTC in a safe place. So the first thing you need to do is to go to the main page and click on login. Then click on registration and fill all the details. You will need to type your first and last name, email and password. Furthermore, it is necessary to provide your partner ID. We will leave our in the description so you can create an account. To highlight it once again, it is not possible to create an account without a partner ID. So you will need to verify your account by confirming your mail address. Once you have logged in into your account, you can get your own Simba in the exchange field. You can read more detail on Simba in about section. Furthermore, in your personal tab, you can pass the KYC in verification field. We strongly recommend to enable 2FA verification to enable the best security level of your account. Now you can go through a guide on how to make an exchange. We will skip the first 4 steps and will start directly with the purchase. To do so, to go exchange tab and connect your MetaMask wallet. Then you will need to confirm your wallet by clicking on confirm. After that, you can create an exchange order by filling the amount of BTC you want to exchange. In this example, it is 0.002 BTC, which is equal to 200k Simba stable coins. As the last step, you would have a 2-hour window to send this BTC amount to a certain wallet address. When your transaction get confirmed, you will get your Simba stable coins to your ERC20 wallet. Here you can see the partner program details. You can find this tab on your personal data page. You can share this link with your friends and people that are interested in storing BTC. It has a 5-level structure. For 1 level you will get a 5%, for 2 level and 3 level you will get 1%, and for 4 level and 5 level you will get 0.5%. All reward will be issued in SST tokens. Okay, so among such advantages as the safest storage of your Bitcoin, very effective pegged ERC20 stable coin with a lot of functions, and partner program system, there is one aspect that plays a big role as well. Simba is a partner of Swiss company called TES, which ensure their market entry in Europe. Furthermore, nowadays more and more countries are facing difficulties with Bitcoin integration and may even sooner or later ban cryptocurrency completely, and Simba solves this problem as well. All stored BTC are placed in a very user friendly countries, Switzerland, Liechtenstein and UAE and New Zealand in the future, that have already stated their positive attitude toward cryptocurrencies, which ensure once again the safety of all your funds. Okay, so all in all, conclusion, Simba is a very interesting company that offers a lot of useful solution that can help to solve a variety of problems. With the upcoming mass adoption, such an instrument of safety storage is a necessity, especially with an overwhelming amount of different government regulation and hacking attempts. By the way, Simba token will be listed on VDEX for a starting price of 0.1 USD per token. So this is just the first listing, so more exchanges will follow. If you need an assistance or question regarding token purchase, let us know and we will explain everything. So that was it for today, guys. We hope you enjoyed it. Do not forget to leave a like, rating and subscribe to our channel Blockchain Today. If you have any additional questions, just let them know in the comment section down below. We will answer all of them. All the needed links are in the description. We will see you in the next video. Till then, stay at home, stay safe. Bye bye.